Hi, today we have this model Cam 20X1. Okay, very nice color, striking red and striking yellow. Okay, this model is Cam 20X1. Okay, using a pro wheel crank, Shimano gears. This one is 7-speed. Okay, 7-speed. Then have these mechanical disc brakes. Okay, good locking system, solid locking system. And this one is alloy frame. Okay, they're using this shifter, Shimano shifter, 7-speed. Okay, adjustable height. Size of the tire is 20. Okay, you see this red. This one is very striking red. Wow, it's a very nice bike. Okay, if you all like, you can message us for stock update and price detail also. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.